Hi everyone, well we are checking the simple future interrogative form. Here we go. Well, we have our sentence in the affirmative form. Okay, what are we going to do to change it to the interrogative? Well, we are going to switch the positions. We'll change this to the place of the subject and the subject to the place of will. So that way we will have our sentences. For example, we have the first sentence. Okay, we have sentence number one. Okay, sentence number one. But we're missing something else. We are missing the question mark. Okay, so sentence number one with the question mark. Now it says, will I go to the movies tonight? Will I go to the movies tonight? Okay, and then we have the next sentence, and we add the question mark, and we have, will they come to school next Monday? Will they come to school next Monday? Okay, and the last sentence, the last question is, will she cook seafood this weekend? Will she cook seafood this weekend? And obviously, when we make a question, when we create a question, we should give an answer, okay? And the answer is here on the right, okay? The answers are going to be here. We have an affirmative answer that is, yes, you will, okay? If you say, will I go to the movies tonight? Okay, yes, you will. And the negative form, no, you won't. Okay, then we have the second question. Okay, question number 2. That is this one. Okay, so here we are. Okay, and we have the affirmative answer. Yes, they will. For the question, will they come to school next Monday? Yes, they will. Or the negative, no, they won't. Okay, well, let's see the answers for will she cook seafood this weekend? Okay, the answers are these ones. Okay, yes, she will, or no, she won't. Ok, muy bien amigos, pues así es como quedan las preguntas y respuestas. Recuerden que simplemente invertimos el auxiliar will con el sujeto, cambian de lugar, así como lo ven aquí. Y nuestras posibles respuestas obviamente tienen que ser con will o won't, ok, de acuerdo a la respuesta que corresponda, si es afirmativa o negativa, ¿sale? Bueno, pues esta es nuestra interrogative form. Hagan sus ejercicios, pregúntenle algo ahí a alguien de sus familias, sus amigos, a sus compañeros de clase, a sus hermanos, si van a hacer algo en el futuro, ok, y que ellos les contesten con yes, I will o no, I won't. Ok, sale. Bien, pues, eso es todo para este videito. Espero les sirva de mucho, les sea muy útil en sus exámenes o lo que vayan a hacer. Y bueno, pues los invito a seguir viendo mis videos para que sigan aprendiendo un poco más de inglés. Sale, nos vemos en el próximo. Hasta la vista.